Alright, now that PBIS Rewards is up and running and students are starting to acquire points, they're going to start wanting to purchase things with their acquired points. So this video will show you how to purchase things from our school store. So starting at the home page, you can do this on your computer or on your phone. I'm going to click on the Stores tab over here on the left. I'm going to click on our school store. And then I'm going to go through my roster. And so we're going to do this bi-weekly on a schedule, and so you'll know if it's your week to let students purchase from the store. They'll go through your class in the morning on a Friday, and you'll say, okay, who would like to buy something? If you'd like to buy a booth pass, who are you? You'll click on the booth pass, and then you click on checkout. You haven't put the student in, so the next screen is where you put the student in. And so we'll go and we'll put a student in, and we'll see that, oh, this person does not have enough funds to purchase that. Hopefully they'll know that because you'll have a printout of how many points they have, and they'll know how much things cost in the store. If they have enough money, you'll come down here, you'll click Purchase Item, and that will then shoot it over to a master list that comes to us. Once we have our master list for that day, we'll go around and we'll make sure that each of you guys get some sort of tangible item that you can give the kid that recognizes them for their purchase, whether it's a coupon for a hat day or a booth pass so that they can schedule their booth for the lunch for their lunchtime. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.